have an imagine.
Going out to the trunk show right now at the LB. Do it. Oh, I need to think of it.
No one can do it like you.
And an interesting fact about this trunk is that, as all of you have been told, all the trunks in this exhibition will be auctioned off at the end of the year, right? So what's special about this trunk is the winner of this trunk will actually win the
you.
It's a medium right now. I'll do
This is like our dinner already. There is actually not much people today at MBS, and it's raining so heavily. Look at that. Not sure if you can see, but yeah, we're just gonna go home right now because it's already spent quite a few hours here, but we've managed to accomplish a lot of things. So check out my next video really soon. Hopefully I've got time to do a review of a bag. Got some stuff from Hermes today, which is awesome. See ya, bye! I've got some stuff from Hermes just now from MBS, and got myself some Hermes base coat as well as the nail color. I actually bought like a blue one. Probably I'll just show you later. What else did I get? It's a receipt. Also got something that my friend wanted. Here I am. Yeah, so this is just a casual vlog. I really don't have the chance to really do like a full-on unboxing right now at night, so this shall be a casual one. I've just gotten something very simple. Definitely not a bag for this, but I've got myself a nice pair of sandals, and this is actually from the men's collection. I'm not sure if I've got a tag, but let me just open this up. This is tough. Yay, my electric sandals in black, and this is actually in size 42, and the leather is pretty hard. I wouldn't say that it's very soft. This is like the display piece. They only have this particular size in the store already, and yeah, I tried like a size 41.5 for the white, so I was like struggling whether I want a white one or, you know, just go for a black one, but I decided on having a black one instead. So let's see. Oh, it's actually quite heavy. I didn't realize it's that heavy, but it feels really comfortable. You'll probably grow a little bit taller after wearing this. 3 cm taller. So it has like Hermes at the side here, and yeah, pretty awesome. Really good quality, and H behind. So yeah, this is a very simple one. I love that, you know, it's chunky, but I just love the whole chunky look. And yeah, definitely will be wearing a lot of this, and I'll show you what I got for like the nail color. Okay, so I was actually looking at the green one, but it was actually between the green as well as the blue. But when they had this in they had like the only one left. So I'm not sure if you can see, but it's actually blue in color. It almost just shows up as black. But this is in the color Blue Emperor in 96. Love this color. It's really unique. I've never seen anything like that. It's almost like a very true midnight blue. It's dark, but something that I don't really have a lot of. I'm looking forward to try this one and show you. So let me just try this. Tried it on, and yeah, surprisingly, it's my size, and it's like the only one left in the store at MBS. And it's super comfortable. It just goes with everything. Love that, you know, you can see like a really just thin peach there, and I think the most important thing is that it's comfortable. And I've got like really huge bunion, but it's really wide at the top, and I foresee that this is going to stretch a lot. And I think this is like, you know, even though it's like a guy shoe, it's really suitable for ladies as well, I feel. Let me just show you this. Like literally, I feel that even a girl can rock this one. Literally, I feel that a girl can rock this one as well. Love this. Okay, there's always this huge mess that I have to clear out. What else? Let's see. And I used this bag today. This is the Chanel filigree bag, filigree vanity case. So absolutely love this. This is really just what I carry on a day-to-day basis. Nothing much, just a lipstick, a few tissues, and my wallet from Chanel. This is super long ago that I bought it. It's still in really good condition. Yeah, I don't really baby my bags really. Love this one. And yeah, that is it. This is my very casual vlog unboxing, sort of. Not sure if you can see this, but it's meant to come out like bluish. Yeah, I think that you can see it. So it's really unique, right? Don't you think? This color. Personally, I feel it's really unique. Anyone who's ever tried the Hermes base coat, let me know. But I picked this up as well, and yeah, I'm looking forward to try this. Get that extra goes really smoothly, especially like the nail polishes. So use this first before you put the nail polish on. Here is some close-ups of the electric sandals. And for those who are interested, this costs about 1,250 Singapore dollars, I think. Yeah, so it's $1,250, and this is called the electric sandal. Yep, that's it. So just show you what this looks like. The leather is really awesome, and I tried another one in store and it was really like soft and supple. So it's super well made, man. It's super well made. And this one is like, that's the strap thing here. Yeah, so anybody who's in the Hermes store and you're thinking about getting like a nice chunky sandal, check this out. It's just really simple and yeah, quite similar to the Capri sandals, but I heard that Capri sandals was a little bit uncomfortable for some people, but perhaps this can be another alternative for you from a men's collection.
Hey baby, very good. Good job. Good job. Smiling. Wow, it's your first time out. Good job, honey. Yeah. Baby, he's doing so well. Hi, Oliver. Hi. You're doing so well. It's your first time outside at MBS. Hi. So good. Good job. We can bring you out more and you can go shopping with Mama, okay? See ya. Such a nice day today. And yeah, decided to bring our baby out for the first time into a mall and into MBS as well. So good. Probably overtired by now. Yep, overtired. You want some bubble tea, baby? Want some bubble tea? Just touch it only. Okay? Some bubble tea. Here you go. No drinking, but just touching. Fully. Okay, okay. Okay, okay.